Gotham Steel Cookie Sheet. Bakery-quality commercial-grade bakeware is constructed from a solid sheet of aluminum which conducts heat evenly with no dead zones or hotspots, and then triple-coated with non-stick ceramic for the ultimate experience, and non-warping plus dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Chef size. The cookie sheet dimensions are 17.7 inches by 12.7 inches by 1 inch. Quick release nonstick. Constructed from solid aluminum and coated with ceramic ensures the ultimate release. Everything just slides right off the surface. No need for baking sheets, oil or butter. Completely dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Ultra durable and long-lasting. The Gotham Steel Bakeware has a best-in-class 0.8 mm thick gauge which won't warp and heats evenly, which ensures everything comes out of the oven perfectly baked and evenly browned. Doesn't warp. Can withstand years of use without warping because of its thick construction, with rolled edges to ensure the aluminum doesn't warp or flex. Metal utensil safe. Scratch-proof metal utensil safe. Oven safe. High heat safe up to 500 F. Dishwasher safe makes for an effortless cleaning experience. Healthy, toxin-free. All Gotham Steel products are PTHE, PFOA and PFOS-free. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent nonstick product so far, cleans like a charm. The Gotham Steel baking accessories that I've gotten are fantastic so far. Nothing sticks to them and everything wipes off so easily, even the most gritty and sticky stuff that on other pans would be frustrating to get off. I haven't washed them in the dishwasher yet, so I am not sure how they'd hold up to more abrasive detergents and washing methods, but honestly I don't even want to. They rinse with a bit of soap and water so easily they're great to just quickly hand wash and then put away. I've only had them for a few weeks but I've used all the items I got, this bread pan and also some baking trays, a number of times already and so far, so good. Hopefully they hold up long term but I am loving them so far.